Meaning of frontman.
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 Frontman. Frontman refers to the lead singer or spokesperson of a band, group, or organization. The person typically takes on a prominent role in public appearances, media interviews, and interactions with fans or followers. The term frontman can also be used generically to refer to a person who represents or leads a larger group or organization. In essence, a frontman is someone who commands attention and serves as the public face of a collective entity. Their charisma, talent, and communication skills can be critical to the success and reputation of the group they represent.